Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Saya rasa saya nak mainkan balik video klip countdown ya. Okay, hi, welcome back. Tadi ada technical error. Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. Okay, today is our revision for topic 9, that is accounting for non-current asset. And my assistant for today is from practicum A3P1, Eng Jing Yi, Muhammad Hafiz, Nurul Fazilah and also Sunisha. Okay, so as usual, okay, I want everybody show your comment here, hi ke, assalamualaikum ke, whatever, so that my assistant can take your attendance. Okay, so far kita ada Aiman dah masuk. Okay, Laila. Okay, mana yang lain? Okay, actually our class is only, okay, our class 20 of us, right? Okay. Okay dah, tu Wasundra dah ada, Rin Yamada dah ada, Rabia. Okay. Laila, Shakira. Okay. Okay, so I think without berlengah lagi, I invite saudara Hafiz to recite a doa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wa ala alihi washabbihi. Allahumma inna nas'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Allahumma la sahla illa ma sahla wa anta taj'alul Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa la tu'assir wa
Amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, apa yang petik ais ni? Oh, macam-macam korang ni Okay, so I think we should start now our class. Okay, let me share the screen first. Okay. Okay, boleh nampak ke? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, kita start our class ya. Okay, today is revision for topic 9, accounting for non-current asset part 1. Okay, we will discuss 4 questions only and the rest we will discuss on part 2 tomorrow maybe. Okay, so we start for question PSPM 2010-2011. On January 1st, 2009, Julie Enterprise had a few equipment at cost 135,620 and 81,374 accumulated depreciation. In July 2009, Julie Enterprise purchased a new equipment at a cost of 47,800 by selling old equipment. The original cost is 36,000 and accumulated depreciation 28,224 at fair value, where is the trade-in allowance is 5,700. Okay, Kalau ada soalan macam ni, okay, it is easier for you because they have calculated the accumulated depreciation. Okay, next, equipment depreciated at 40% using the reducing balance method. Depreciation will be recorded on all equipment used at the end of the financial year, and depreciation on asset disposed will not be recorded in the year of disposal. So, ayat ni awak boleh faham tak? Okay, dia kata depreciation will be recorded on all equipment used at the end of the financial year, and depreciation on asset disposed will not be recorded in the year of disposal. So, maksudnya ini dia guna basic tahunan, yearly basic. Kalau yearly basic, untuk tahun tu dia baru beli, tak kisah bulan berapa, dia akan kira setahun punya depreciation. But if dia dispose, okay, tahun tu tiada depreciation. Okay. Okay, Julie Enterprise financial year ended on December 31st, 2009. Okay, required. Show the calculation and prepare the journal entry to record the purchase of new equipment and the sales of old equipment. What is the gain or loss of the disposal from trade-in the equipment? Okay, secondly, calculate the equipment depreciation expenses and journal entries to record depreciation expenses in 2009. Ignore the narration. And thirdly, give 4 methods of calculating non-current asset depreciation expenses. Okay, so we look at the answer. I'm sure that you have already did your homework, right? Okay, so dia kata record a journal entries to record the purchase of new equipment and sales of old equipment. That's mean the trade-in transaction. Okay, so to answer the question, okay, I hope that you remember the rules. Okay, firstly, when we trade in, that's mean we purchase new one and we sell the old one. Okay, so if we sell the old one, that's mean we credit equipment bracket old 36,000. Okay, this figure is at the question just now. Okay, this is the first step. 36,000 is the first step. Okay, and then when we sell the old equipment, that means we have to contra the accumulated depreciation also. So debit accumulated depreciation. Okay, this one you don't have to calculate because it already given in the questions. Okay, and then we buy the new equipment. So debit equipment new 47,800. Okay, and then the fourth step is to calculate the cash. When there is a trade-in transaction, there must be a cash. We pay cash. Okay, so how to calculate the cash is equipment new minus the trade-in allowance. Okay, so 47,800 minus the trade-in allowance just now is 5,700. So cash paid is 42,100. When we pay cash, that means credit cash 42,100. Okay, so what is the missing figure? Okay, the missing figure is at the debit side. Because of it is at the debit side, it is a loss on disposal. Okay, so far, any question? Siapa yang terkeluar ni? Fat. Okay, so far tak ada question ya. Okay, so I proceed with the next question. Okay, next question is to to record a journal entry. Okay, before that you have to calculate the depreciation. Okay, so it is using reducing balance method. So firstly, you calculate the balance, the equipment carry forward. Okay, so the beginning cost plus purchase new equipment minus cost of sold the old equipment. Okay, so the total is 147,420. This is the new balance of equipment. Okay, so I repeat, we have, because we use a reducing balance method, so there are a few steps that you have to follow. Okay, firstly, we calculate the new balance of equipment. Okay, the beginning cost. Okay, minus what we sell and plus what we purchase. Okay, so next step is, okay, sekejap saya nak tengok audience. Siapa yang terkeluar ni? Oh, tinggal Eng dengan Fat. Fat tak ada gambar. Okay, so far no question. Okay, siapa yang terkeluar tu Su Su awak klik balik link tadi tu. Okay, dengan Fat. Actually untuk ni dia punya line kena kuat sikit lah. Okay, you klik aja, nanti saya add awak balik. Ya, klik dekat line StreamYard tu. Okay, so we continue. Okay, just now we already oh ya ke? Okay, so now we calculate the accumulated depreciation account at the end of the year. Okay. Okay, so to calculate the accumulated depreciation accounts, okay, so we have the beginning balance, that is 81,374 minus, okay, 28,224. 28,224 ni apa? The accumulated depreciation. Okay, kita tengok soalan balik The accumulated depreciation yang old equipment. Okay, so sebab kita dah tolakkan dia kan, kita dah jual dia, so we have to minus the old equipment. Okay, so the new accumulated depreciation now is 53,150. Okay, why we have to know the amounts of equipment and also the accumulated depreciation is because we use reducing balance method. Okay, so to calculate the depreciation using the reducing balance method, okay, there is a formula. Okay, percentage. Okay, percentage given is 40% times apa? Net book value. Okay, book value equals to cost minus accumulated depreciation. Okay, so the cost is 147,420 minus accumulated depreciation is 53,150. So you multiply with 40%, then the depreciation is 37,708. Okay, now you can record into journal entries. So, debit depreciation expenses, credit accumulated depreciation equipment. Okay? 37,708. Okay, so far is there any question? Okay, Fat and Su kalau nak masuk just klik aja link tadi Okay. Kalau Eng dengan Hafiz nak tanya pun boleh tanya direct. Okay, if there is no question from audience. Okay, so I think we proceed with the next question. Okay, so four methods of calculating non-current asset depreciation expenses are: one is a straight line method. Secondly is reducing balance method. Okay, thirdly is sum of year digit method. And fourthly is unit of activity method. Okay, but in matriculation, in our syllabus, only straight line method and reducing balance method. Okay, yang dua lagi tu ada but not in our syllabus. Okay, so kita pergi to the next question. That is PSPM 2011-2012. Okay. On 1st April 2011, Hans Jamberhard has purchased new equipment of 285,000. HSB, that is Hans Jamberhard, received 70,000 as an allowance for trade-in of old equipment of the same type and pay in cash. The following information related to old equipment. Cost is 183,500, and on December 31st, 2010, 96,000 is the accumulated depreciation and 12,000 is the annual depreciation. Okay. Kalau dia kata 12,000 is the annual depreciation, means they are using straight line method. Okay, depreciation is recorded full in the months of purchase and not recorded in the months of dispose. Okay. So yang ni dia pakai months. Okay. Okay, now requirement. First, 1 Roman, prepare the journal entry to record current depreciation expenses for old equipment until the date of trade-in transaction. Okay, secondly, prepare journal entry to record the purchase of new equipment on 1st April 2011. Okay. Third Roman kita tak payah buat lah sebab tak masuk PSPM kali ni. On the C3 and C4 yang masuk PSPM. Okay. Now we look at the answer. Okay. 1 Roman is to record journal entry. Okay. For trade-in transaction. Okay, so the answer is to record depreciation expenses until the date of trade-in transaction. Okay, now. Okay. Just now is annual depreciation. Ini cakap Melayu pula To record depreciation. Okay. Just now, okay, the annual depreciation is 12,000 ringgit. Annual means setahun. But bila kita beli tadi? Okay, on 1st April 2011. Okay, so the question is asked for old equipment. That means the old equipment exists until 1st April. Okay, so how many months they exist in 2011? January, February, March. April dah jual. So only 3 months saja dia punya depreciation. Okay, so 12,000 is the annual depreciation multiplied by 3/12 because January, February and March. April dah jual equals to 3,000. So the journal entry is debit depreciation expenses 3,000 and credit accumulated depreciation equipment 3,000. The narration is to record depreciation of equipment. Okay, boleh tambah lagi sikit. Okay. So far is there any questions? Boleh Okay, next question. Okay, is to record journal entry for trade-in. Okay, so bila kita trade-in, that's mean we buy new equipment and we sell old equipment. So when we sell old equipment, okay, so credit equipment bracket old 1,800 and 183,500 credit. Okay. Okay, that is the first step. Because we sell the equipment, so we have to credit the old equipment. And then the second step is we have to contra the accumulated depreciation. Okay, so debit accumulated depreciation equipment old 99,000. So how did you get the 99,000? Okay, the question given is 96,000, right? Plus 3,000. 3,000 ni mana dapat? 3,000 ni yang kita jawab soalan 1 Roman. Yeah, okay. That is the depreciation for January, February and also March. Okay. So, that's why we get 99,000. Okay, faham tak? Okay, and then thirdly is we have to record our new equipment. So new equipment is debit 285,000. Okay, this is the third step. Okay. Okay, and then the fourth step is cash. Okay. So, macam mana nak kira cash? Okay. The formula to calculate the cash is the new asset minus the trade-in allowance. So the new equipment is 285,000 minus trade-in allowance 70,000. So you get 215,000. Okay. So you balance debit and credit, then you get the missing figure is at the debit side. Okay, the missing figure is at the debit side is 14,500 because it is at the debit side, so it is loss on disposal. Okay, boleh buat tak? Is there any question so far? No question. Okay. Okay, kalau tak ada question, so we continue our next questions. Yeah. Okay. Kecil sangat ke? Besarkan sikit. Okay. Okay, yang third question tadi is about concept. So that one kita tak payah discuss lah, ya. Yeah? Okay, so next question is PSPM 2012-2013. Okay, Mr. Q, owner of perniagaan Amarul, had decided to trade in the old food processing machine to the new machine to meet high demand. The following information related to the transaction. Okay, so kita ada dua model, okay, of the processing machine. The old one is the model Samsung. The new one is the model named Samlan. Okay, so these are the particular, the cost, date of possession, residual value. Okay, residual value is the nilai sisa and their useful life. Okay. I think in your books there are a typo, so make sure that the model Samlan is 10,000, yeah, the residual value. I think in your book written 3,000. So please correct it to 10,000 ya everybody. Tidak nanti tak dapat jawapan. Okay, additional information. The supplier of model Samlan had agreed to receive Samsung model with receiving 5,000 cash as trade-in allowance. Okay, faham tak dekat sini? Maksudnya kita bayar ke atau kita terima 5,000? Okay, now kita tengok balik. Our old machine model is Samsung. Okay, new model is Samlan. Okay, the supplier of model Samlan had agreed to receive Samsung model with receiving 5,000 cash as trade-in allowance. That means the supplier of model Samlan tu dia agree to receive cash. Maksudnya kita yang bayar dekat dia. Okay, so that means this is the cash payment. Yeah, to get the new model. Okay, secondly, depreciation expenses recorded in accordance during the months of acquisition and not recorded in the months of disposal. Okay, so awak kena hati-hati sebab dekat sini dia guna months, dia bukan guna year. Okay, and the third additional information is PA, accounting period ending 31st December. Okay, this is important. Kalau tidak nanti macam mana kita nak kira the depreciation. Okay, so you highlight the point also. Okay, now the question asks to prepare journal entry to record the purchase of model Samlan on July 5th, 2012. Description omitted. Okay, and second Roman, prepare journal entry to record depreciation expenses for the year 2012. Description omitted. Maksudnya ignore the narration. Okay, now we look at the answer for one Roman question. Okay, to record, to prepare the journal entry to purchase of model Samlan. What does it mean? When we purchase model Samlan, that is the new model, mean we also trade in the old model. Okay, so that means the journal is about trade-in transaction. Okay, so what is the first step? The first step is we credit old machine 125,000. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is we contra the accumulated depreciation of old machine, that is 62,000. Okay, now in the question, there is no stated about the accumulated depreciation. That means you have to calculate the accumulated depreciation. Okay. Because of they are using the straight line method, okay, so calculate the yearly depreciation first. Okay, that is the cost 125,000 minus residual value 5,000 over the useful life 10 years. Okay, so equal 12,000 yearly. Okay, so cuba kita tengok dekat soalan balik. Okay, bila dia beli is on 1st May 2007. Okay, so now kita trade-in transaction is on bila? July 5th, 2012. That means you have to calculate the accumulated depreciation from May 1st, 2007 until July 5th, 2012. Okay, so we have calculate the yearly. that is 12,000. So in 2007, okay, equals to 8 over 12. Why it is 8 over 12? Because tak sampai 1 tahun. Okay, dia beli Julai tadi kan? Okay, so Julai ke tadi? Tak jap soalan. Oh, Mei. Sorry, dia beli on Mei. Okay, so Mei kita start. Okay. So Mei, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 8 months. Okay. 8 over 12 multiplied by 12,000. 12,000 is the yearly depreciation equals to 8,000. Okay, for the year 2008 until 2011, okay, there are full amount of depreciation. Okay, so 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011 means 4 years is full depreciation. So you write 12,000 multiplied by 4 years equals to 48,000. Okay, on 2012, kita jual this old machine on July. Betul tak? On July. So, tak cukup 1 tahun. Okay, so when tak cukup 1 tahun, we have to calculate how many months? July, August, September, October, November and December. So 6 months only. That's why 6 over 12 multiplied by 12,000 equals to 6,000. So the total accumulated depreciation is 62,000. Okay. So because of, in the question, the accumulated depreciation for old machine is not given. So you have to calculate. Okay, now we get 62,000. So this is the second step. Okay, the third step is we buy new machine. So debit new machine 150,000. Okay. Okay, so the fourth step is to calculate the cash. But okay, we don't have to calculate cash because the cash is given in the question. That is payment 5,000. So credit cash 5,000. Okay, so what is the missing figure here? After you balance debit and credit, okay, you get the missing figure at the credit side. That is 82,000. When the missing figure is at the credit side, it means what? It means gain on disposal. Okay. So, boleh faham ke tak? Su dengan Fat tak masuk juga Okay. So far Laila faham dia kata. Okay. Okay, now kita proceed to the next question. Yeah. Betul ke tak ada soalan? Okay, so far semuanya pandai-pandai Okay. Second Roman question is to calculate the depreciation. Okay, so the depreciation for the new model. The new model, okay, the cost of new model is 150,000 minus residual value 10,000 over the useful life 8,000. Okay, because of the accounting period is 31st December and the new model kita purchase is on July. So that's mean tak cukup setahun. Okay, July, August, September, October, November, December is 6 months. Okay, so 6 over 12. Okay, after you calculate, you get the depreciation expenses is 8,750. So debit depreciation expenses 8,750 and credit accumulated depreciation machine, that is the new machine, 8,750. Okay, so the 6 months is from July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, yang tadi tu, okay, tersilap. Yang tadi tu, 6/12, this is for the old machine. That means it is from January, February, March, April, May and June. Okay. So ada correction sini sikit. Anyway, still 6/12. Sebab dia bulan Julai. Okay. So bulan Julai tak masuk. Okay. So I repeat, January, February, March, April, May and June. Why July tak masuk? Because it is mentioned here, depreciation expenses recorded in accordance during the months of acquisition and not recorded in the months of disposal. Dia disposal bulan Julai. So that's why Julai tadi tak masuk. November, January until June. Okay. So boleh ke faham? Okay, so I repeat, this accumulated depreciation is for old machine. Okay, the question for second Roman is depreciation for new machine. Okay, so far is there any question? Tak ada juga Eng dengan Hafiz pun tak ada apa nak tanya. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now I proceed with the next question. Okay, this is the last question for today. That is PSPM 2013-2014. The following information related to fixed asset perniagaan makmur. Okay, dekat sini there are machines, washing machine and also vehicle. Okay, so it has given the cost and the date of acquisition, residual value and also the depreciation rate per year. Okay, for vehicle, the depreciation rate is 10% and for washing machine is 15%. Okay, additional information, all fixed assets were depreciated using the straight line methods. Okay. We look at additional information number 2. On May 1st, 2013, the trading had made the decision to exchange the washing machine to the dryer machine to meet the high demand among customer. Related information dryer machine was as follows. Okay, so dia nak tukar washing machine kepada dryer machine. Okay. Okay, this is the information for the dryer machine. Okay, the cost of the dryer is 100,000 and the acquisition date is May 2013. So what does it mean? Okay, maksudnya on 1st May 2013 berlaku trade-in. Yeah. Okay, the depreciation rate is 20%. Okay, information number 3. The supplier of dryer machine agree to accept the washing machine and perniagaan makmur will receive cash 2,000 as trade-in allowance. Okay, selalunya cash payment, sekarang ni receive cash. Okay, so take notes. Okay, number 4, on 1st May 2013, perniagaan makmur paid the insurance premium 5,000 per year for dryer machine. Okay, ada pula insurance premium dekat sini. So, take note, highlight the point. Okay, 5th, the trading fixed depreciation expenses recorded full year for all asset used at the end of the financial year. No depreciation was recorded on asset written off in the year of disposal. So, maksudnya apa? Dia guna yearly basis. Okay, kalau yearly basis, tahun yang disposal dia tak kira depreciation, but tahun yang dia beli dia kira full year of depreciation. Yeah. Okay, and number 6, the accounting period ends on December 31st each year. Okay, so this one is also the important point because this is the date that the cut-off date to calculate the depreciation. Okay, now required. The requirement, first Roman, is to prepare journal entry on 1st May 2013. Okay, that's mean on 1st May, what happened? There is a trend in transaction. Secondly, prepare adjusted journal entry on December 31st, 2013. What does it mean? What journal entry? What is the adjusted journal entry? Okay, maksudnya kita kena buat journal entry for depreciation. Okay, now we look at the answer for 1 Roman. Okay. Okay, the same step. When we trade in machine, okay, firstly, the first step is we credit the old machine. The old machine is the washing machine, 85,000. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is we contra the accumulated depreciation of the washing machine. So we debit accumulated depreciation washing machine. Okay. Tapi that tak ada maklumat about the accumulated depreciation. So we have to calculate. Okay, to calculate the accumulated depreciation washing machine is as follows. Okay. The cost is 85,000. Okay, minus the residual value 3,000. Okay. And then multiply by 15%. Okay, dia punya rate is 15%. Okay, but bila washing machine kita beli bila? Okay, we look at the question again. Okay, washing machine, okay, we purchase on 1st January 2009. Now, kita trade in dia on 1st May 2013. Okay, so how many years? 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. 4 years. How about 2013? 2013 tak payah kira. Okay, why? Because it has stated in the additional information said that no depreciation was recorded on asset written off in the year of disposal. Okay. Okay, so I repeat, how to calculate the accumulated depreciation is, okay, we start from the date of acquisition. Maksudnya acquisition ni tarikh yang kita beli the washing machine. That is on 1st January 2009 until kita jual balik the washing machine, that is on May 2013. So we calculate the accumulated depreciation start from 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. 4 years. 2013, no. Because of yang ni. No depreciation was recorded on assets written off in the year of disposal. Okay, so the calculation is 85,000 minus 3,000 is 82,000 multiplied by 15% multiplied by 4 years. 4 years. Okay, so equals to 49,200. So this is how we get the accumulated depreciation for washing machine, 49,200. Okay, that is the second step. The third step is we record the new machine, that is the drying machine. Dryer kan, dryer machine tu. Okay, so kita beli the new machine, so debit drying machine. Okay, 100,000. So this is the third step. And then the fourth step is cash. Okay, cash, normally we pay cash in the trade-in transaction. But this question, okay, kita tengok balik, the question said that additional information number 3 said perniagaan makmur will receive cash 2,000 as trade-in allowance. Okay, so maksudnya kita dapat cash. Okay, ya. So ini lain sikit soalan dia. Normally kita pay cash. But this question we receive cash. So debit cash 2,000. Yeah. So this is the fourth step. Okay. So now there are you balance debit and credit. So there is a missing figure in the credit side, that is 66,200. So what is 66,200? Okay, because it is at the credit side, it is gain on disposal. 66,200. Okay. So, is there any question so far? Boleh faham tak? Mana audience? Audience senyap je ni. Ada 10 orang di watching, lagi 10 orang, 2 ada dekat sini, 12, 2, maksudnya 8 orang tak ada hari ni. Okay, so in this question, kalau if you follow my step, okay, you just calculate accumulated depreciation or cash only, Tapi if you want to use the formula, okay, so the book value is 35,800, and then you can calculate the gain on disposal, okay, 66,200. So it depends on you which method, which step they want to use, Okay. So yang ni as normal like that we learned before, This is the formula to calculate the gain on disposal. Okay. So ada lagi on 1st May, it is about the insurance. Okay. So we look at the question again. Additional information number 4. On 1st May 2013, perniagaan makmur paid the insurance premium of 5,000 per year for drying machine. Okay. Accounting period is on December 31st. Okay. But they ambil insurance on 1st May 2013. So cukup setahun tak? Tak cukup. Kan? Sebab the insurance is per year. Okay. So, okay, you can record the journal. Debit, insurance expenses, credit, cash or bank, 5,000. Okay. Ni bukan 5,000 ni. Actually, you have to calculate because the insurance premium is 5,000 per year for the dryer machine. Okay, so May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 months only. Okay. If you want to declare, it is as insurance expenses. Okay. So, kita buat sikit pembetulan. Okay, 5,000 multiply by 8/12. Okay, equals to berapa? 5,000, 8 over 12 equals to 3,333. Okay. So, the answer is 3,333. If you want to declare the insurance expenses, sebab dia tak cukup setahun. Okay. Or, if you want to declare it as a prepaid insurance, so debit prepaid insurance, okay, on 1st May. Oh, on 1st May. Sekejap sorry. Because the date is 1st May, so betul lah 5,000. Sorry. Kalau 31st December baru buat macam tadi Okay. Okay, so another answer is debit prepaid insurance, credit, cash or bank 5,000. Okay, this is on 1st May. Okay, so we go to the next question. That is the adjusted entries on 31st December. Okay, if there is adjusted entries for current asset, non-current asset, that's mean depreciation expenses. Okay, if adjusted entry for liabilities, it means we have to declare the interest expenses. Okay, now is non-current asset, so the adjusted entry is depreciation expenses. Okay, now we look one by one. Okay, on December 31st, debit, depreciation expenses, credit, accumulated depreciation, drying machine, 19,000. So, to record. Okay. How to calculate the depreciation expenses is, okay, the cost of drying machine is 100,000 minus residual value 5,000 multiply by 20%, so equals to 19,000. So that is for drying machine. And another asset, non-current asset is vehicle. Okay, so another journal entry is debit depreciation expenses, credit accumulated depreciation vehicles. Okay, to record. Okay, to record depreciation of vehicles. So how to calculate the depreciation is the cost of vehicle is 160,000 minus the residual value. Okay, then times the percentage, that is 10%, equals to 15,500. So depreciation expenses for vehicle is 15,500. Okay, so that is the adjusted entries, to calculate the depreciation. And then one more, you have to record adjusted entries for insurance just now. Okay, the insurance, okay, the insurance, okay, just now. If you want to declare as a prepaid insurance, so debit prepaid insurance, credit insurance expenses. Okay, 5,000 times 4 over 12. Okay, kenapa 4 over 12? Okay, kalau prepaid insurance, that's mean kita bayar awal, kan? Okay, so start bulan berapa tadi? 1st May 2013. So that's mean January, February, March and April. Okay, 4 months. Okay. 4 months if you want to declare as a prepaid insurance. But if you want to declare as insurance expenses, okay, that's mean daripada May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December is 8 months. Okay. Okay, yeah. So that's why you get 3,333. If you want to declare as a prepaid insurance is 1,667. So there are two answers in this question for insurance. Okay. But for depreciation, okay, it is fixed. Okay. Depreciation for drying machine is 19,000. For vehicle is 15,500. But for insurance, you have choice whether you want to declare as prepaid or insurance expenses. Okay, so that's all for revision accounting for non-current asset part 1. So we will continue to the next video for the another 3 question, I think, yeah, in the part 2. Okay. Okay. So Nisha dia dah terkeluar daripada konti. Dia ada dekat dia ada dekat YouTube biasa Okay. Anyway, tak apa. Sebab line, This is because of line. Okay. Okay, ni ada question. Okay, question from Laila. Dia tanya, nanti exam nak kena calculate for both prepaid insurance or insurance expenses ke? Tak. Tak. Awak pilih salah satu. Awak nak declare as prepaid insurance ke or you want to declare as insurance expenses? Kalau saya declare as insurance expenses. Tapi ada juga student yang jawab as a prepaid insurance pun kita terima. That's why ada 2 jawapan dekat sini. Okay, so any other questions? Okay, faham ke semua? Okay, nanti boleh tengok balik video kalau tak faham. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Okay, so okay, faham Laila dah faham. Okay, so yang lain faham tak? Saya nak tengok 2 orang lagi cakap faham baru saya end our class. Okay, Laila satu. Yang lain siapa lagi faham? Okay, Nur Kamarina pun kata faham. Okay, seorang lagi? Okay, Nabilah pun kata faham. Okay, so baru lega saya nak end our class. Okay. Okay, Farhanah pun kata faham. Okay, now I think that's all for today. Kita sambung on the next video 2 for the rest of the question. Okay, so that I invite Saudara Muhammad Hafiz to recite tasbih kafarah and surah Al-Asr. Amin, amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, so macam biasa, kita nak tak gambar siapa yang ada dekat konti. Yasu dengan Fat memang tak boleh nak masuk dah Okay, tak apa. So, sekejap Kita tangkap gambar dulu. Okay, sudah ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, itu saja kali ini. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera.